Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down in order to find the home screen. Let's enter. As you can see, the second section is connected with system navigation, so let's enter, and here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So obviously currently we've got this option with the buttons applied. We've got three different buttons which are responsible for three different actions. And if you will decide that you want to stick with this option, under it you've got some options thanks to which you can customize it. So for example, you can mirror the buttons, simply reorder them. You've got the button shortcuts, and you can disable navigation buttons if you want to. So it's of course up to you. If you'd like to stick with the buttons, I will change it to gestures because this is my favorite type of system navigation. So all you have to do is to simply tap on this option. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to learn the gestures, so you can go through the tutorial and learn, but I don't want to because I will show you how to use them on my own. So after picking the gestures, you can see that the buttons simply disappeared. We've got only this one line and we can hide it. So here we've got some options thanks to which we can customize the gestures. So I would like to hide the full screen indicator. So let me tap on this switcher and again tap on not now. And as you can see, this line is turned off, simply disappears. What's more, here you've got the option gesture confirmation, which means that sometimes in some cases when you will watch a movie or a video or you will play a game, you will have to double your action. So for example, the back button, in order to confirm that you really want to go back. So of course you can turn it on or off. And under it you've got the gesture demos, so you can check them. Of course here you've got the animation, but let me show you how actually the gestures work. So if you'd like to go back to the previous page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side of your device, of the screen actually, and I've accidentally changed to the buttons, so not now. So if you'd like to go back, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger until you will see this this arrow, and after releasing the finger you can go back. And it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left side, just like that, or from the right side, because it will work from both sides. So just wait until the arrow will appear and release the finger. So if you'd like to go back to the home screen directly, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, almost. And as you can see, we are on the home screen. So in order to enter the recents, just swipe your finger up again, but gently this time, and hold it somewhere in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. So basically this is it. This is how to change the three navigation buttons to the gestures in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.